In this tutorial, I'll show you how to procedurally create a rock texture using the node editor. Create a UV sphere, press Ctrl 3 to add a subsurf modifier and apply the modifier. Right-click to shade smooth the mesh and select the Shading tab at the top. We need diffuse, glossy and mix shader nodes. This is how we mix two colors with glossiness. Add the noise texture node and link them like this. This is how we add a procedural noise to the final texture. Duplicate the nodes by drag selecting them and pressing Shift D. Add a math node. Set it to multiply. As you can see, it won't do much unless we add the bump node. We can procedurally adjust the settings to create a perfect rock texture. I'll show you why we need to add the multiply node. This is the one without the multiply node. As you can see, the one without is missing additional details. The multiply node will give you a full control over how much strength can be applied to any nodes in the node editor. This is my final choice for the procedural rock texture. By the way, the roughness setting on the diffuse node won't do much. Add a new plane as the light source by equipping it with an emission shader. Set the HDRI's strength to 0.1, and increase the emission strength. This is the end of the rock texture tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Also, please remember to use the share button below to share this tutorial on social media. Thank you for watching.